channel, New Jersey Uncovered. We're here to put Avantin airless paint primer and stage sprayer together. So let's not delay. We're gonna see what's inside. So here we have the Avantin owner's manual and safety instructions. All right. So basically, the video is so you can see how it's put together. All right. Instead of going through this, but you can look at it yourself. This is an easy step. This is manual, and these are instructions on how to put it together. All right. What do we have here? So this comes with a 25-foot hose. You can get them 50-footer. You will have to buy that separate. All right. And we have the hose. We have some more hose here and some more. This is metal, but we're going to be putting this together, so just bear with me. All right. I'm going to take this box out the way. So I have all these pieces. I'm missing one thing. 1 second. We got the box. Comes with the sprayer, the airless spray. See that? Looks nice. I think it goes this way. The box shows. Yep. So we have the air gun. All right. Now we have the airless reversible spray tip that comes with it. We have tools that come inside so you can tighten up. We have the cleaner for the spray. So basically when you're painting, I'm gonna say every 10-15 minutes maybe, you have to come and brush this off a little bit so it doesn't get clogged. Alright? And this right here, piece comes off, and you can stick it right in the hole to clean it up. So you can clean this up. Just like that. Alright. Now, the most important part. So I'll put this over here. This over there. So I'm going to show you the main piece. This goes down. Alright. That's going to stay there. Okay. We got the main piece. Alright. Got Avantin. We have the Avantin sealed in the bag. Got two sides. These two, they go here. Open that up. I've seen some people slide it in, but I'll suggest that it up so you don't damage nothing. Alright. Put that through there. You don't have to tighten it all the way yet. This one goes there. Alright. You gotta play with it a little bit. Just watch as you don't get pinched. Alright. Keep that there. Now, these two goes here. So we're gonna start with this one first, right? Got the lever. Pull this off. Sorry about that. Oh. Alright. I'm just gonna rip it off. How about that? So this piece goes this way. Alright. Let that don't sit there for a minute because we gotta put this. Now, this comes with screw it all the way in. Should have sucking it out. Just bear with me. I'm new to this video thing. Trying to trying to push myself to do these things, videos and stuff. Alright, so your support is appreciated. On motivated me. I'm just being real. But aside from that, put these screws in there. There's two of them. Alright, so you put one here and then you put the other one over here. Now, this piece goes in the front. Alright, it goes this way. This is my first time doing it, so I have an idea more or less because I've seen somebody do it already. Voila. So this right here is basically to put the black tube around here when you're done with it. Now you put, there's two black, I don't know what you call this now, but it comes inside a box so you can tighten this up. Alright, tighten it up. Then you put this one on the other side. It's that simple. See? Alright. Very simple. Now you can tighten these up with your hand. You don't need nothing, no pliers or nothing for this one part. Alright, so now, next part, okay, this part right here goes under here. Alright, you gotta push it in. I don't know if you guys can see. Look, bring it all the way up. Okay, get off already. I don't know. Make sure it's all the way up. Now, you gotta grab this part. I think, let me see, let me try. Yeah, you can do it with your hands, with your fingers. So you don't need no tools for this part. Okay, clamps right in there. Go all the way up. Now, you have this small piece right here, right? That goes on this side. Right? Make sure it's all the way up, and it has a clamp. So, same process. Okay. Last part will be this part right here. Now, this part you have to be very careful because when you are screwing it in, you want to make sure that you're screwing it in the right way. If you're bending it a little bit, it can mess up the threads here. Alright? So you want to be careful. As long as you insert it straight, you won't have a problem. So I'm not going to cut it all the way yet because I'm not going to use it anymore. I'm just prepping it. I'll do another video on how this thing as far as spraying. Alright, so remember, gotta be very careful. So when you're putting this in, it has to go smoothly right in. Once it reaches the end part, almost, now you could either use what they gave you, send you in the box. I think there's one of these, maybe this one. But to be on the safe side for me, what I'll do, I'll use a drop forge wrench, right? This is what I use. It's very simple to put together, right? Now when you tighten, just go with the, force it. Okay, should be it. Now, this is the part that is important. Alright? This part is important. And I'm going to tell you why. Might as well do the whole thing. I wasn't going to do it, but here you go. So, same process when you're putting this in. Alright? You don't want to strip it. Got a little red thing in there, you want to pull that out. Like a plastic cap or something. It's pretty tough in there. But I got the solution. Here you go. Alright. Now, matter of fact, before I do that, push this back. There is another piece here. This piece right here goes in that spray hole. Alright? So, it's called the spray tip. I guess this is what controls how far, right? I guess the pattern. Alright, so there's two pieces in here. There's a small piece, this piece in here, and this one. It comes all together. So you don't have to worry. You got the basics. Now you want anything else, you gotta get that on the side. Ooh. Alright, got the piece up. Sorry for the mess. But this, I think you have to take this out. Yeah, so we're taking this out. Alright? You have to take this out. This piece right here, you got this little tip here. So what you do is, just like that. Alright? And you gotta set this right in there. Now, perfect. Alright? So what you do, you have to, and for this, I'm gonna use this one. Alright, you gotta tighten it up. Tighten it up. So you could cut this. You gotta keep it like that. Don't want that way. So I'm gonna keep it that. Now to give it the extra, I'm gonna tighten it like that. But this part, it's not what I'm trying to do. You wanna make sure it's tight. So what I'm gonna do is hold it from here and tighten it. Alright? That should be right. So that's good. Alright, so it has a lock on here. It'll supposed to lock. So you put it all of it, it'll lock. I recommend you do that when you've done